It has been a long 2-year journey from when we first bought our block of land and started our build. From selecting every detail, whether it be colours or fixtures and fittings, it's been a fun and wild ride to say the least. But now we've finally reached the part where we turn our house into a home with lots of post-build projects and DIYs to make it our own, and we're excited to share this journey with you. Welcome to our home series. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we had our blinds and curtains installed. So instead of DIYing them ourselves, we thought it would be best that we just go through a company because they are a large design element of a house and we didn't want to run the risk of mucking them up. So we worked with a company called BDS Curtains and Blinds, and honestly, we are just so in love with how they turned out. So prior to getting them installed, the first step is for them to come over to our house with their samples. So we're able to pick and choose from the different colors and the different fabrics against the overall color scheme of our house. This is also the time that they will measure up all the windows and decide the length and width of the curtains. So here's an overall pan of one of the living areas where we will be installing both roll-up block-out blinds and sheer curtains. So the first step is to install the brackets of the roller blinds, and when they come to measure up your windows, you can decide whether you want the roller blind track on the inside of your window frame or the outside. And the difference is that if you decide to install this bracket on the outside of your window frame, you'll get 100% block out of any light coming through. But if you decide to install the bracket on the inside of the window frame, you will see a small slither of lights shining through. So you may want to opt for the bracket being on the outside in your bedrooms or a theatre where you want complete block out of any light. But on the flip side, the benefit of having the bracket installed on the inside is that it does give you a cleaner look when the shears are open because the roller blind is tucked away inside the window frame. However, there are exceptions where you need to have the bracket installed on the outside. For example, this door panel on the left here to where these guys are working on, there's a 3-panel stacker door there, and because those door panels stack one on top of each other when they're opened, there's actually no room for the roller blind to be installed on the inside of the window frame. So once all the roller blinds have been installed and checked to see that they're opening and closing smoothly, next up is to install the sheer curtains. So the sheer curtain track brackets need to be installed over the window frames on the plasterboard. So you can't just install them wherever you want. You do need to check for studs and then drill accordingly. Once all the track brackets are installed, it's time to pop in the actual tracks for the curtains with the clear rods which help to open and close the shears. Honestly, when you watch one of these videos, it seems so easy just to drill in the brackets and hang the curtains, but honestly, it's such a time-consuming process and it takes a lot of effort. I'm so glad we didn't do it ourselves. These guys were here for almost 10 hours installing everything. They took such good care of our home, and I just highly recommend their company. Once all the curtains are hooked on, you are good to go, and the shears just look so pretty. The video honestly doesn't do them justice. They look amazing and better in person. For our staircase window, we picked a light filtering blind, and it's honestly the best decision we ever made. During the day, it filters the light in, and during the night, no one can see in. So we just keep this blind closed all day, every day, because this window is over 3 meters long, and can you imagine if you had to open and close it every day? It would be a nightmare. For our laundry, we opted for a double roller blind, one see-through blind and one block-out blind. We didn't think it was necessary to spend extra money on sheer curtains, and also since this is a wet area, the roller blinds just work really well. So this is what the final product looks like, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more episodes in our home series, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!